Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Trezor hardware wallet, the ultimate solution for safeguarding your cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, advantages, and disadvantages of using a hardware wallet like Trezor. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the specifics of the Trezor wallet, let's understand why using a hardware wallet is crucial for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. In today's digital world, securing your crypto assets is paramount. Unlike software wallets, hardware wallets provide an offline storage solution, significantly reducing the risk of cyber attacks and unauthorized access. Now let's take a closer look at the impressive features that set the Trezor hardware wallet apart. First one is security. Security is paramount when it comes to protecting your digital assets. The Trezor wallet offers state-of-the-art security features, including offline storage, PIN protection, two-factor authentication, and recovery seed. Let's discuss this in detail. Offline storage: your private keys are stored on the device itself, keeping them completely offline and out of reach from potential hackers. PIN protection: to access your wallet, a PIN code is required, adding an extra layer of security. Two-factor authentication: Trezor supports two-factor authentication, further enhancing the security of your transactions. Recovery seed: in case of loss or damage, the wallet provides a recovery seed, allowing you to restore your funds on a new device. Second one is wide cryptocurrency support. The Trezor hardware wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. This ensures that you can securely store and manage your diverse portfolio within a single device. Finally, user-friendly interface. The user-friendly interface of the Trezor wallet makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. With its intuitive design and straightforward navigation, managing your crypto assets becomes a breeze. Now that we've explored the features, let's discuss the benefits of utilizing a hardware wallet like Trezor. Enhanced security: by storing your private keys offline, hardware wallets offer superior protection against online threats such as malware, phishing attacks, and keyloggers. With Trezor, you have peace of mind knowing that your assets are safe from digital vulnerabilities. Portability: Trezor wallets are compact and easily portable. Whether you're traveling or simply want the convenience of managing your cryptocurrencies on the go, the Trezor hardware wallet fits comfortably in your pocket. Peace of mind: with a hardware wallet, you no longer need to worry about losing your funds due to computer crashes, accidental deletions, or stolen devices. Your assets are securely stored within the physical device, ensuring you have full control and ownership. While the Trezor hardware wallet offers exceptional security and numerous advantages, it's important to consider a few drawbacks as well. Let's discuss this in detail. First one is cost. Compared to software wallets, hardware wallets come with a price tag. However, the added security and peace of mind they provide make them a worthwhile investment for serious crypto enthusiasts. Second one is physical vulnerability. As with any physical device, there's a slight risk of loss or damage. It's essential to keep your Trezor wallet in a secure location and make use of the recovery seed to protect against potential mishaps. In conclusion, the Trezor hardware wallet is a top-notch solution for securing your cryptocurrencies. With its robust security features, wide cryptocurrency support, and user-friendly interface, Trezor stands as a reliable choice in the realm of hardware wallets. That wraps up our review of the Trezor hardware wallet. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the benefits of hardware wallets and the unique features offered by Trezor. If you wish to buy this product, please check out this official website link, which is in the description. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe and secure in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy crypto investing!